Hey guys, welcome to TechCity, the Larzo Koje back here. It is time to unbox yet another device, and it hasn't been that long now, has it? I don't think so. So anyway, today I'm going to be unboxing the TECNO Camon X, and very interestingly, the USP of this device is the camera. So this is the Camon X Pro, in fact. So I'm thinking if you are into photography, videography, etc., or you love to just play around with smartphone camera features, etc., you should totally stick around for the unboxing of this device and, of course, my first impressions. Let us unbox this. Done. Okay, let's just put this here. Okay. So the build isn't so bad. I'm not sure about the black color. I'm curious as to what other color variants there are. But I love the gold trim. I think it makes for a very nice contrast. Gold and black, you know, not bad at all. So this is the device, right? The build is pretty cool as well. It's curved around the edges. So of course, it gives you a very good grip. The camera at the back looks pretty. And of course, the fingerprint sensor as well. So yeah, that's very accessible. Power on and off button, the volume rocker. Oh, interesting. The headphone jack is now beneath, and it's your micro USB charging port that's on this one. That's interesting. The speaker here, this look really big. I'm curious as to how loud it is as well. Yeah, that's about that. So I like the material. It feels almost, I'm not sure what the material is. I'm not sure it's reading anywhere, but I like how it feels. It doesn't feel plastic. It doesn't feel cheap or anything like that. It feels really premium, and that's a good one. That is really good. Okay, so let me see what else is in the box, right? So this is the pin for the SIM tray, which is here on this side as well. Okay, so that's nice. There is nothing on this side. Everything, all the activity and all the fun is happening on this side. Cool stuff. Hey, I like this one. Trust TECNO to come through with the case. This is not bad. Okay, so this is this. I will come to this in a bit. There's the user manual for first-time smartphone users. Boom Play music card. 12-month warranty and specification manual, right? I think this will come in handy if you maybe drop your phone by mistake. Oh, I love that the earpiece on the TECNO Camon X Pro is like this. You know, yeah, love this. Thank you guys so much for doing this. There is the charging cable and of course this. So these is what you get. We are going to quickly set this up. You will view this in very fast motion. This is what you will get. I did mention initially that the resolution is 2160 by 1080. So this is what you get. Let me increase the brightness to its highest level. There's that. Not bad. What I also really like is the fact that you're getting a good deal of screen space for applications, for videos, etc. I think that's really nice. So the bezels are pretty thin. Let's not see what the camera is like. I don't want to give away too much, but I mean, if the camera is the unique selling point for the TECNO Camon X Pro, I want to see exactly what it offers me, okay? So it's got the video, normal, beauty, panorama, super pixel, modes. Let's look at the settings. What settings do we have here? You can turn on the location, add watermark automatically, adjust picture size, or self-time your pictures when they want to be taken. Not bad. What other features are there? Okay, so the beauty feature, super pixel. Let me just try and take this super pixel. Come on. Oh, not bad actually. It seems a bit whitewashed. Maybe it's because we have a lot of lights in the studio, but I think it has nice focus. Speaking of focus, I liked how the blur effect came out on the Camon X Pro when I took some pictures of some of these things on the table. So I'm going to do that again. Let me make this my primary subject, right? And then, or let me just do that the other way. Okay, so I'm gonna take this like this, right? So I'm making what's in the back my subject or my focus. So I have taken that, and look how it came. So the power plug is blurred, which I mean I like the blur effect, but look at how nice the black comes out. I think that's very good. Let's see what a picture with flash would look like. Okay, so I took this with the flash, and I like how it makes the front object, you know, puts that in focus. Let's go to video, right? So already the video has been set to record in 1080p, and I can change that to either 720p or 480p. The front-facing camera has a portrait mode. So let's see. My earrings are blurred out. I'm not sure why. So let's see if I could make it look better. Okay, I think now that my hand is there, it kind of looks. So let's take that. Okay, so let's see what the result is like. Not bad, but I think my face is very well captured, very, very well captured. So say for recording video, for instance, let's see how that would look. Hey y'all, this video is brought to you by the TECNO Camon X Pro. I'm testing for video quality, sharpness, and also audio quality. I want to know how much audio the device lets in and how that sounds, in fact. So I'm going to stop this video now and then we'll play it back. Ready, steady, go! Hey y'all, this video is brought to you by the TECNO Camon X Pro. I'm testing for video quality, sharpness, and also audio quality. I want to know how much audio the device lets in and how that sounds, in fact. So I'm going to stop this video now and then we'll play it back. Yeah, it is quite loud. I'm not sure of the quality of the audio, yeah, but the video doesn't look so bad. So guys, what is my verdict? In this unboxing and first impressions video, I would say first off that handling the TECNO Camon X Pro device has been quite an interesting experience. All right, the USP again is the camera, and I know that if I spend a lot more time with this, I would perhaps figure out a few new things about the camera. So far, the audio is quite loud when you're recording. That might not be as crisp as you want it, but it is quite loud. Also, the video recording quality is sharp. Might be too sharp for some people depending on how you like your videos or your pictures taken, but I don't want to give away way too much. The storage space is fantastic. So it's 4 GB and 4 GB of RAM, which I think works very well, and the design also overall is really beautiful. Let me know what your thoughts are when you see the pictures I take and a few other information that I will definitely share in this video. Just let me know in the comment section right below, and what exactly you want me to do with this device. What tests do you want me to run basically on it? I would love to read from you in the comment section right below. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.